scenes and the dream to explore. They swam from the South Pole looking for more. Now they zip across America to check out the scenes, and they want to see you traveling too. There's so much to see. The ultimate penguin adventure spree. ChaCha Zee
in San Antonio.
Bienvenidos a San Antonio, or in English, welcome to San Antonio. It's a colorful, flavorful culture with surprises at every turn. Let's go see what ChaCha Zee are already into.
Hey kids, welcome to the Alamo City, San Antonio.
I'm Zee, and this is travel extraordinaire ChaCha.
San Antonio is a colorful fiesta of diverse cultures, especially from Mexico.
Yes, and the music you're hearing now is from a Mariachi Band, traditional Mexican folk music dating back to the 1700s.
Oh, it makes me want to dance.
Hola, my name is Feedy. You like my dance moves?
Hi, Feedy. You're amazing. And what a gorgeous dress.
Gracias. And where'd you get your sombrero?
Oh, I bought it on the Riverwalk.
Very nice.
What was that dance you were just doing?
This is the baile folclórico, or in English, the folk dance.
Is it from Mexico?
That's right, and Central America too. Each region has its own sounds, styles, and moves.
Whew! Doesn't all this dancing make you hungry? Hey, announcer guy, any more food allowance in our travel budget?
Well, yeah, Zee, but you can only spend it on local flavors.
That's right, Zee. No fast food.
Calm down. This is San Antonio. I would never do that.
I have just the place.
Is it further than that fast food place over there?
You two are funny. Looky, the food just floated up.
All aboard.
Whoa, I've never eaten a whole boat before.
No, Zee. The food is on the boat.
And it's all authentic local flavors on a unique San Antonio experience.
Now, Zee, please don't eat all the food.
I can't help it. Floating flavors of foods. Am I in heaven?
ChaCha and Zee travel tip number 3. Exploring makes kids thirsty, so drink water often. Here's how to make it easier. Use colorful cups and straws. It makes it more fun. Add fruit to really flavor it up. And add some ice too. It's how penguins like it. 'Cause you'll go farther when you drink more water.
ChaCha Zee
In San Antonio.
Ahoy there, travelers, and welcome back to San Antonio. I hope you're hungry because ChaCha Zee have just set sail on a foodie adventure you'll never forget. Let's dig in.
Wow, Zee. Amazing local food on a riverboat.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Hope I don't get seasick. Ooh, hard corn shell, ground beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and some spicy sauce.
You got all that from one sniff?
Oh, hey, Feedy. He's the best smeller north of the South Pole.
Ew, that's gross.
I don't even know what it's called, but I like it.
That's a taco, Zee.
Yeah, well, I call it taco-licious.
Taco Licioso.
Taco gusto.
Ah, mis amigas.
Want to try anything else?
I want to try everything else.
Zee.
Negrita de mis pesares, ojos de papel volando, negrita de mis pesares.
Oh, what's this?
Nachos.
That's not your grandfather's appetizer.
Unless your abuelo was from our city.
Whoa, they're fast. What's this?
Enchiladas. Meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheesy goodness wrapped in a tasty tortilla.
In English, does San Antonio mean pass more enchiladas?
Zee, mind your manners. Ooh, what's that?
Oh, this is the Arneson River Theater. We perform live on this stage, sometimes baile folclóricos.
And what's that?
This is where the people sit to watch the performances.
So our boat gets to run right through the theater in front of the dancers and everybody?
That's right.
Wow, I've always wanted to be in a dance show.
I've always wanted some dessert.
And it's right at the edge of La Villita, the original historic San Antonio.
I want to go see that.
I can take you there in episode 3.
Episode 3?
Episode 3.
Whoopee! What's that?
It's the episode after 2.
Oh, Polly.
You're funny. No, what about that?
Oh, that's That's the Tower of the Americas.
Oh, you're fast. Hey, we need to go there too.
I can take you there.
When?
In episode 3.
And when's that?
Right after episode 2, silly.
Oh, yeah. Well, on our way, I have an idea. Can I have a bite of your sopapillas, Cha-Cha? Here, just one little bite.
No! You're always stealing my food. Keep your sticky wings off my dessert. See? No! See?
Hey, travelers, follow ChaCha Zee as they explore the DC Federal Building.
This is supernacular.
Learn about the nation's capital, branches of government, and the fun discoveries we'll make along the way.
Let's do this thing.
ChaCha Zee.
In Washington, D.C.
ChaCha Zee.
In San Antonio.
Hola, ¿qué tal? And welcome back to San Antonio, Texas. Now that ChaCha Zee have stuffed their little penguin cheeks full, let's go see what new adventure awaits.
See? Are you sure we're gonna know our own way around San Antonio?
No worries, Cha-Cha. I'm a map master.
Oh no, I hope Didi isn't far away.
Says here the Riverwalk, or in Spanish, Paseo del Rio, winds along 15 miles of the San Antonio River.
Wow, 15 miles? That's a long walk for web feet.
Oh no, you love the way we travel. Remember the boat?
Didi, I hope you were still around.
The connection of this U-shaped part was built for flood control in the 1930s by Robert Hugman, a San Antonio hero.
And look, down here is the Mission Trail, with 5 of the oldest missions in Texas.
Above downtown are the museums. Art, modern art, performing art, science, natural history, educational experiences.
Any taco experiences?
There's even a golf course, a zoo, and a really cool train just for kids like us.
There's so much for kids to see and do.
So we better get going.
Z, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Freestyle Explore!
With a little help from me.
Could I come too?
That's a double-decker bridge.
Just like the bus I rode in DC.
Wow, I want to go to DC someday.
You can and you should. And so should you, kids.
Speaking of buses, check us out. Hey, does this cost much?
Just get a one-day pass. All the riding you need.
Ah, this is Rosita's Bridge for Rosita Fernandez, a world-famous Tejano singer. Traveled just like us from Monterrey, Mexico to San Antonio as a little kid. Sang in the 1940s to the 1960s.
Oh, what's Tejano music?
We're gonna learn that in
Episode 3?
You got it!
Whoa, what's that big red thing?
Says here it's the Torch of Friendship.
La Antorcha de la Amistad, a symbol of cooperation and shared culture between Mexico and the United States, especially San Antonio.
Oh, a friendship symbol.
65 feet of friendship. Well done, Mexico.
And this is Selena's Bridge, dedicated to Selena Quintanilla.
Let me guess, a Tejano singer?
Oh yes, the Queen of Tejano.
Episode 3?
You got it again.
There are so many places to eat on the Riverwalk.
There's Tex-Mex, classic Mexican, barbecue, seafood, Italian, Chinese, Cajun, Mediterranean, steakhouses, British pubs, ice cream, candy stores, and even American food.
Whoa, I need a one-day pass just for all the food.
See, is that all you think about?
Ooh, you should be here at Fiesta time.
We can fix that. Watch this.
You're right, Didi. It's magnificent.
How did you do that?
The magic of animation.
Wow. Then we should see it when they put up all the Christmas lights.
Allow me. Oh, it's so
Lit.
magical. This trip to San Antonio is just perfect.
Amazing. A river running right through the hotel. They think of everything here.
Wow, what a beautiful water garden.
What is that over there?
Mis amigos, that is one of the most important historic sites in Texas. And like so many other discoveries, it awaits us in episode 2. It is called the Alamo.
Ah, yes. I think I remember the Alamo.